Hello students, today I am going to teach you the first poem of the first unit. The name of the poem is Be the Best. The poet of this poem is Douglas Malloch. It is very simple and easy poem. In this poem, the poet has shown us the importance of existence. Existence means in Marathi, Astitva. He says, it doesn't matter how big or small you are. It is very important that you exist. Students, now look at the first stanza. Put your finger on that line. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. In this stanza, the poet tells us that if you can't be a pine tree, which is top of the hill, which is at the top of the hill, at least try to be a scrub in the valley. Scrub means an area covered with small, low plants. If there is difficulty to be a tree, at least try to be a bush. Here we will take an example. Suppose you have a friend who scores highest marks in your class and you score average passing marks. Don't be discouraged. Your average marks are better than failing. Try to score good marks next time, or if you have a hobby, suppose painting, then try hard to get better in painting. Think of it in this way. You paint very beautifully, but your topper friend can't. So be the best at what you can do or what you do. Now look at the second stanza. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. Here, the poet says that if there is difficulty being in a bush, at least try to be a bit of grass. You know that the grass makes happier highway. If there is any difficulty being a muskie, you know that muskie is the name of fish. If there is a bit difficulty being in a muskie, then at least try to be a bass which live in the lake. Now look at the third stanza. Put your finger on that line. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do and there's lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. Here the poet says, if you can't be a captain, you should feel proud to be a crew. Crew is also important. There is a reason for everyone's existence. There are many works which are important and also other people. But it is very important that how you are doing your duty. Now the last stanza, look at that. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. In this concluding stanza, the poet explains that if you cannot be a highway, then at least try to be a trail, because the size doesn't matter for you win or lose. But the quality of performance is very important. If you can't be the sun, then don't afraid to be a star. It means be the best whatever you are. So what do we understand from this poem is that every job is important. You don't have to be at the top always. something being the best at whatever you do is sufficient. Now I think you have understood this poem. If you have any doubt, then ask me. New words are given here. Write them in your notebook. Marathi translation is also here. Read it also and complete the workshop. Thank you.